Good morning, children. Welcome back to Class 1 English, Lesson 11 Jijo and Ellie. Let us see who is this Jijo and who is this Ellie. I will now read the lesson for you. Jijo loves elephants. He likes to play with them. He likes to watch them swing their trunks and play in the mud. Jijo. Jijo is the boy or the person who comes across in this lesson. And elephants. Who are these elephants? Elephants, these are animals. Jijo is a boy who likes to play with them. With the elephants, the boy Jijo likes to play. He likes to watch them swing their trunks and play in the mud. Now the boy Jijo will like to see the elephants playing in the mud, swinging their trunks. Swinging means moving their trunks and playing in the mud. Till now, we have understood that Jijo is a boy. Let us see who is Jijo. Jijo looks after elephants in an elephant camp. He looks after them when they are hurt or sick. The elephants go back to the forest after they get well. So now, who is this Jijo, children? Jijo is a boy who looks after the elephants in an elephant camp. What do you think is an elephant camp? Elephant camp is a place where we can find only elephants. We rear the elephants in the elephant camp. The boy Jijo used to look after these elephants. When did he used to look them off? He used to look them when they were hurt or when they were sick. Hurt means they get injured, and when they are sick means when they are not well. The elephants go back to the forest after they get well. This boy Jijo used to look after the elephants which are hurt and which are sick, and he used to treat them like a doctor. And after the elephants were all right, they used to go back to the forest. One day, Jijo goes for a walk to the river. Suddenly, he hears a cry. Now, where did the boy go one day, children? The boy went to the river. As he was going for a walk, he went to the river. What did the boy hear? Suddenly, he heard a cry. Who was crying there? Let us continue the lesson and see who was crying in the river. He sees a little elephant lying in the mud. The little elephant is crying softly. She cannot get up. She has hurt her leg. Jijo pats the little elephant because she is sad. Now, who was crying, children? The little elephant or a baby elephant was lying inside the mud and it was crying. The little elephant was crying very softly. Why? Because it was lying inside the mud. It could not get up from the mud, and also she has hurt her leg. One of her leg was wounded. She could not come out of the mud and she could not come out of the river. Now Jijo is patting the elephant. Patting means tapping on the body of the elephant because the elephant is very sad. She touches Jijo with her trunk. Jijo names the little elephant Ellie. Jijo runs to the elephant camp. He calls the keepers to help the little elephant. The keepers take Ellie to the camp. Now, what happened? As the boy saw the little baby elephant crying, he goes near the elephant and touches the elephant. Now, the elephant also touches the boy with her trunk. Now the boy names the baby elephant as Ellie. He runs to the elephant camp. Now the boy will run to the elephant camp. Why is he running there? Because to call the keepers who are looking after the camp. He wanted to call those people to help him to take the little elephant. The keepers take Ellie to the camp. Now, what did the keepers do? The keepers came there and they took the baby elephant Ellie to the camp. Dr. Anand, the vet, ties a cloth around Ellie's leg. He gives Ellie some medicines. Ellie stays in the camp. Jijo looks after Ellie. He feeds her, bathes her, and sings to her. Now, who came here? Dr. Anand. Who is this doctor? The vet. What do you think is a vet, children? Vet is none other than the veterinary doctor, the doctor who looks after or who treats the animals when they are not well. The vet doctor Anand came to the camp and he ties a cloth around Ellie's legs. He looks after the elephant and then he ties a cloth around the Ellie's leg. And also he gives some medicines, and now Jijo is looking after the elephant very carefully. He will feed the food to her. He will help the elephant to bathe, and also he will sing for the elephant, and also he will give the medicines and take care of the elephant. Ellie begins to get well. Soon Ellie is able to stand up. After a few days, Ellie can walk and run. Jijo takes Ellie to the forest. Now what happens here? Now as Jijo looked after the baby elephant very carefully and treated how the doctor has asked him to treat, Ellie the elephant got well very soon and it stood up to itself. And after few days, Ellie started to walk and run. Now this boy Jijo takes the baby elephant Ellie to the forest. Ellie is very happy to see mother elephant and father elephant. They are happy too. They trumpet in joy. Ellie touches Jijo with her trunk. Then she slowly walks away. Now, as Jijo took Ellie to the forest, Ellie met her father and her mother elephant. And now, as the parents saw the baby elephant, they too were very happy. They trumpet in joy. They were very joy to see the elephant, baby elephant, return back to them. Now Ellie touches Jijo with her trunk. Now to thank Jijo, what does a baby elephant do? It touched Jijo with her trunk. Then she slowly walks away. What did the baby elephant do? She went off to her parents. After touching Jijo, she walked away to the parents who were waiting for her joyfully. Hope all have understood the story, children. Thank you.